Okay, good morning, traders. This is Luke from Breakout Trading. It is Tuesday, August 20th. Um, Yesterday was a long day after the announcement came out. We are having the World Series of Trading. So, if you don't know what the World Series of Trading is, it's technically the largest trading competition as per the company hosting the competition. But it's from what I could tell, yeah, it is the world's largest trading competition, at least in the retail sector, and not retail sector, at least with retail traders. Now, we are a group on there, so when you sign up, you're gonna see I hit the X on it. You're gonna see. When you sign up, the link is connected somewhere, and I don't think I did a link on YouTube, so I'm going to put it in the comments right now. Um, okay, so yeah, that's the World Series trading thing. I'm just going to play the link. Who could advertise it better than them? And then we'll go on from there and continue our trading day.
World Series of Day Trading. You've read and heard about it everywhere.
On Facebook, you're not going to be able to hear this, but you will on YouTube and in the replay. So my suggestion is if you're on Facebook, you might as well click the link and sign up. It's down there. And then I'm just going to play it real quick for YouTube.
World Series of Day Trading. You've read and heard about it everywhere. Now, let me tell you what it's all about. The World Series of Day Trading is the largest, most important, and most dominant trading-related competition in the world. Every few months, the day trading community holds its breath for 6 trading days to see who is the leading talent in the world of trading. Each competitor gets a $240,000 demo account to trade with for the 6 trading days. The goal is to reach the end of the competition with the highest account balance and without getting eliminated. Each competitor must trade on at least 4 active trading days out of the 6, and you're not allowed to hold any position overnight. On a given trading day, you may not lose more than $3,500, and you can't be down more than $12,000 at any point in the competition. If you reach the max loss, you are automatically eliminated.
Hold on, let me redo that. There, I just realized I can do something here. No, I'm just gonna continue it because either way,
It's an open competition, and anyone can apply, whether you have many years of track record in the market or very little experience. While we are powered by TradeNet, you can apply regardless of where you obtained your education and irrespective of the trading platform you use. The prizes for the champion and the runners-up are fantastic. The champion wins a $240,000 funded account access plus a $6,000 TradeNet voucher. Each one of the top 20 traders wins access to a funded account. The total funded account access fund surpasses $3 million. You need to know that as a competitor, you deserve to be a part of a team. Your team leader will guide you throughout the series, so it's better if you follow him and his social media channel closely. As a team member, you also enjoy the internal competition with your teammates. The best trader in your team wins an $80,000 funded account value.
we are an official team, by the way, just to
While the 2
clarify.
runner-ups gets a $14,000 funded account access. Your team is also competing with the other teams. So if your team is among the top 3, then the leading players on your team can get even larger prizes. Got more questions? That's okay. Fill in the details below.
So yeah, fill in the details. Basically, I know you couldn't hear it on Facebook and the private delay, but we heard it yesterday, and the link is there. Uh, 2 people from the group will automatically get the 2 bet or the 2 second best, I guess you would say, get a free $14,000 account, and then the best in the group gets an $80,000 account. Now, if we can make it into the top 20, I've already made promises and I stick by my promises. Free Roku TVs and cash if necessary. If you make it within the top 10. Um, Now, if three of you make it in the top 10, am I going to shell out 3,000? I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. You might have to split that top prize. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'll probably be so proud I'll shell it out. But let's just do it. We're going to take the challenge together, and we're going to kill it. The best way for us to make a name for ourselves is, by doing this together. Make sure you tell your spokesperson when they call you, when you sign up, to put Breakout Trading as a top group. You know, they have their recommended mentors, and they don't have my name there. And I wore the shirts forever, and I did everything. So make sure you say Breakout Trading needs to be up there. Their text alerts are correct 90% of the time, 99% of the time, 95% of the time. Just tell them the truth. And we've been kicking you know what. We're a little new on the block, Breakout Trading. We've only been around 8 months. There's groups that have been around longer than us, so I understand, you know, why certain things happen certain way. But I would be very grateful if you would say, hey, why isn't Luke Dangio from Breakout Trading? He's the man. Pull him, give him one of those. Maybe I'll maybe I'll buy you an account. All right, so let's get started today. And that's another thing too. If you do want to take the challenge, it's free. It's completely free. You might want to end up buying. They have them on sale right now. If you click the TradeNet discount link, it's $350 for which is like the cheapest ever for the what do you call it? The intro account, which is a $14,000 account like this one. Uh, and what you do is, well, it's up to you. If you're trading good, you leave it off. Yeah, I mean, you could use the money, but when you first get the account, they give you a demo account, and you can elect to trade that demo account as long as you want. So you can always do that to practice for the big competition. And if you don't win in the big competition, then just turn your 14K on and you have an account anyway. But anyway, either way, let's get started on the day. I've been looking around. I haven't really seen anything I like. I'm gonna wake up this morning to a hit on the chin, and I just know it, and it stinks. Uh, it's beyond. I di- I'm telling you, I did not even hold this strategically. Yesterday, when the thing came in about the World Series, I came in my mind and I was like, whatever. But I probably would have closed it because I would plan on closing it if this brought me down in more than $50, and you can see here it's down 85. But this is gonna close down. This is gonna. I don't know if you've seen what happened to Beyond today. They had a stupid This stock is looking good too. Somebody's got some. Who's in my group that has a ton of options on this and a ton of stock? We were talking about it yesterday. He's like, "What do I do? What do I do?" And I look at the stock and I'm like, "Oh," and I was like, "Get rid of that crap." He's like, "But they just got FDA triple." I was like, "They did? That was right here, right? I remember." And it was stopped. The stock was like halted or something. And he's like, yeah, they got FDA phase 3 clearing. I was like, well, then you hold that. But today you should definitely keep an eye on this. It looks like it's hitting 310, and that seems like it's a strong top, especially for a stock like this. Let me take a look at its history. Yeah, it doesn't really seem to go that much above 3, but given the new results, we might see it today. All right. What are we doing now? What are we doing? All right, so what happened? Everybody went over to YouTube because I because I played the video that was only here on YouTube. It's still early. Okay. All right. I'm gonna resend that link though because I feel like there was more people 2 seconds ago. future reference, don't play videos that don't have. Um, that don't have audio. All right. I'm gonna look at Benzinga because the AI gapper is looking weak today, and BRV is the number one, so we're watching that. We already got that on the list. Yeah, this is what happened to Beyond overnight because of a. But I still think it's gonna drop out the gate. I'm not gonna hold it, but it'll give me an opportunity to at least sell it on some high volatility. Speaking of, let me go ahead and set that order. Um, Come on, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So if it's 315 mark with a $10 delta up about $10, it's down about $100. Maybe if I could sell it for 375, I might get lucky. 375. Oh, it's 310 right now. 275. Trade price. I'll take that 275 order. All right, we'll see if that fills. I doubt it will, but if there's a big drop in volatility, it's a possibility. That's the best thing you could do if you're ever like really screwed up in options. Is that open hope that you get some kind of like rando fill, but keep it somewhat reasonable. All right, let's keep things moving. Let's take a look at Benzinga, Pro.Benzinga. There's something going popping up, TRNX or something like that today. It's a penny stock. It's about to hit that sweet TNXP. It's about to hit that. Oh no, it moved down a lot. It was up a lot. Now it's down a lot. Um, Baidu up 7% after company. Don't care about Baidu. Home Depot was a beat. Market's going to be bullish today. Beyond Meat, yeah, thanks. Long. They only raised their price target from 188 to 189. Do you know why they do that? That's straight up market manipulation. Now, you would think a company like JP Morgan, you may or may not know this, but JP Morgan, not JP Morgan, but financial firms in general have to separate the research department from the trade and investment banking department. If the two, they literally have to be separated. They can't be like working on top of each other. Like they have to be in separate offices, separate parts of the building. There has to be literal separation for the SEC. And you know, but I smell something here, and J.P. Morgan's been known to break the law as well. The sales department is not allowed to tell the research department, "Hey, pump up Beyond Meat because it's in a few annuities or whatever, and we need to get the price up." They're not allowed to do that. So I think this is a BS move. JP Morgan's done this before. They'll pick a really bad stock and they'll put an upgrade on it, and it'll be a very low price upgrade. And I'm like, why bother? Why bother unless you only want the stock to spike that day? So maybe I will hold on to Beyond. Who the hell knows? No, I won't at that price. I'll get rid of it, and I'd rather buy new ones at a better delta. That's how you make money. By the way, quick lesson. That's how you lose money. Is if you say, you know what, I'm just gonna hold. I'm just gonna hold. You're better off just selling at the loss. And if you really want to make money on a Beyond pullback or Beyond rally, get it at a better delta because I've taken such a hit. My delta's so low that if I just sell this and I buy a 50 delta at a closer date, this is October 19th. If I buy a closer date, I can get a delta of 70 for $315. And all Beyond's got to move is 2 points. So this is a very, very easy comeback because I bought so far out. All right, anyway, so hopefully I get that fill right away and then I'll figure out what to do with Beyond. All right, we're gonna add. Let me just add stuff to this thing here. I'm gonna make this the official watch list of the day. All right, TRNX. Looks like I was watching it yesterday. Had quite a move today. Now it's falling back down. It doesn't do much during the day. I know that. So we'll keep an eye, but it's looks like it's up on earnings. Uh, and BVR. Let's add you and BVR. Also, guys, today is the last day to sign up for the $40 lifetime membership. Okay. However, if you sign up for the what is it, the World Series trading event, and show that you signed up in my name on my team, well, no, you have to be a part of my team. So technically, you have to sign up. All right. So take back what I said. If you're already a breakout trader if you sign up, so that doesn't make sense. But Trade Net is having a sale. I have the link below. You can get a $14,000 account right now for $350. It's normally $500. That's the cheapest I've ever seen it. If you sign up for that, I can make you a member of the group, and then we can take the World Series together. Did that make sense? Yeah. So in other words, take advantage of it while it's cheap. Group is either $40. You could just come in the group, or you could buy yourself a pre-funded account for $14,000. Get in the group for free, plus be on our team for the World Series. I guess if you come watch every day in my room, you're basically a breakout trader, even though you didn't spare out to sign in for the text alerts. Maybe you don't need the text alerts. I don't know. I guess you could sign up on our team. Why turn away people? Of course you could sign up on our team. Whether you're a paid subscriber or not. Look at this thing, this CGA thing. That was yesterday though, but all right, come on, let's keep looking. Stay focused. I'm gonna be straight up with you right now. I'm not feeling super bullish about anything. Let me take a look at a bio. A bio. A bio. I'm not gonna trade on a knee-jerk reaction today. Wow, very low floats. Oh, iBio. Probably still going to be just as low. No, 18 million. Still low. All right, so guys, we got something really, really spikes my interest here. Floats 18 million. It's got 6 million shares of volume. It's up over 15%. Actually, it's up 55%. It just fell into our range of between 90 cents and $12. So we got float, volume, range, percentage. I need to know why this is up. That's the fifth point of the strategy, the fifth finger of the 5 point strategy. So we're going to find out right now why it is up. IBIO. Oh, wow. It's really coming down, though. Um, really coming down. Welcome, William. We will add you sooner, but if you message me, I can get you into the private chat. Uh, 13 minutes until the market opens. Still not loving anything. I've taken an interest in this A bio until I seen its formation. The only thing I can imagine happening to this is somewhat of a downward dog situation, and but you got to imagine that was up almost 300, 400% at that point, at that time. So what's going on with this one? Was that just a pre-market pump? If it was, man, I got to start waking up earlier. Let's see if we can get Tony Hedges, my cousin and former hedge fund manager, multiple former hedge fund manager actually, to weigh in if he's trading today. All right, let's check you out, boy. It's hitting support right now. It's a good time to buy because it's hitting support right at 110. Um, Following the announcement of agreement with United Therapeutics to produce recombinant human collagen bull link 3D bioprint transplants. I don't know. I don't know. It does seem like a good time to buy it because it's at that 110 level, uh, and it's so gosh darn cheap. You put your stop at 99 cents. What have you got to lose? I took 200 just to see. I'll post that out. Looks like it's at a bottom here. Uh, yeah. All right, let me send that out in the text alerts. Give me 1 second. Wow. Ugh, fucking Kramer's talking about Beyond Meat again. I'm gonna send you guys Antonio Nasta's picks real quick, since I'm a little light on the pick side right now. Let me send out Antonio stuff. Wow. Oh, he's at a firm right now. Nice. Good job. All right, so now we got inside information. No, I shouldn't call it inside information, but we got information coming from a firm. These are Antonio's alerts, so I'm gonna send those out right now. Yeah, those look really good too. I'm not gonna give it away. It wouldn't be fair to the people that paid. So let me just send them out. I mean, eventually I'm gonna give it away, but you won't know who's mine, who's Antonio's, or anything, anything. This morning, yeah. Call me. Might be a little bit of a twist today. Antonio Nasta's gonna take over the group here. Yeah, what's going on? So you want me to bring you in the group? I can bring. We're gonna about to open. So all I gotta do is send you the link. I make you a presenter, and you can talk into the computer. Okay. Okay. How could I do that when I'm live? I'll still be able to do that when I'm live. Yeah, like I'm live right now, and I'm on a phone, and I'm about to send out your alerts actually to the group right as we speak. Um, Thinkorswim is way too slow. I know, but I have a different software. It's Colmax software. The level twos are a little faster. But yeah, the level twos on Thinkorswim do suck. mRNA. All right, let me run because I'm behind and I'm gonna text these out. But you said not to get an mRNA unless what? It hits what price? 1385. I'll go with the high one, all right? Yeah, it's overextended right now. It's too high. Yeah. All right. Very cool. All right. I'll talk to you later. I'm gonna send out your alerts now, and I'm gonna work on them. All right. Thanks, Tim. All right. So cat's out of the bag, I guess. He's liking the mRNA. He wants it to pull down to 138, 1386, or 1385 or 1365. Better off going with the high number, because we're talking about this going up a few points. He doesn't trade unless he's getting points out of something. Um, so at a $13 price, that's pretty nifty. All right, let me get this. Why can't I find the thing here? Okay, so Antonio Nasta. All right, so I don't think he gave me exits. He usually doesn't give me exits. Sometimes he does, sometimes he doesn't. Because sometimes you just can't predict the exits. That's the way it is. Oh, he did give me an exit. mRNA, he did give me an exit. I guess he's at the firm now. He has to have the exits. And then he likes. I do like that stock a lot now too. Uh, BIDU. Got 4 minutes till the open. I just want to take a quick, brief overlook. Oh, he gave me entry twos on and exit on Baidu. I'm gonna alter his entry a little bit. I think it's a smart idea. Just because a lot of us have TradeNet, so we have to go off of what we think the ask will be, the higher number. Now, so that's why when he was like, I don't know, either 138 or 130 or 180, what was he saying, 1385 or 1365? I was like, I'll go with 1385 because TradeNet, you got to remember there's a spread in there. So you got to, beat that spread a little bit. You got to bid a little higher sometimes. It sucks, but it's part of, look at part of the game. He didn't give me any stop losses, so your stop losses use your own discretion. But be smart about it. Do a 1 to 3, figure it out, or whatever is in your strategy. If you have a 2 to 1 stop loss tendency, then do that. But okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and why did I buy this iBio thing? It's probably just gonna dump right out the gate. I don't know. No, it might not, but definitely have your stop loss in. I'll add to this if it shows improvement. Otherwise, I just have 200 shares in that, so I'm not very exposed at all. NBVR NRBV is dumping, dumping, dumping. All right, let's take a look back at Benzinga. CETX, where did this come from? Nice low floats. Not a lot of volume, but the volume is 2/10 to float. Up 48%. It's the penny stock? What is this? No, it's not. Let's add this to the watch list. Come on, man. I don't have my monitors up yet. There we go. Market looks like eh. Oh, the markets are down. I didn't know that. I thought we were up. Oh, so we might have a little dump out the gate. All right, so keep in mind UVXY calls, things of that nature. Um, Beyond is rallying right now. CETX, CETX, CETX. It's like it came out with earnings. Wow, this is all movement that just happened. That's why we didn't see this earlier. This just happened. Jeez Louise. This is gonna pull money away from iBio because they're the two top stocks. So they're basically at a battle to see who's gonna take first place. This is up on earnings. The other one's up on both like BS news. This one's gonna take the cake, I think. I do like it though. I will say over the pre-market highs. All right, and we're open. Yeah, I knew that was gonna take off. CETX. I'm in. I'm in at 220 at 228. Oh, mRNA. All those stocks are triggering right now. Baidu is pulling down. It pulled down to 110. So that was exactly the perfect. If you had your order in, you got the fill on that. This is the perfect entry for Baidu. So I'm going to take that order on Baidu. BIDU. I forgot to put my limit order in, so I'm just going to take it right ahead. Market, 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 buy. I got a 111.80. And mRNA. It looks like I missed the 85. But I'm gonna take this one as well. 500 market. Go down a little bit. I gotta pay 14 at market price. It's crazy. All right, I'll take the 14. I did not mean to buy 5,000 shares of that. All right, we're gonna have to come back to that. Dumping, 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 dumping. This is rising, 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 rising. All right, so let me go ahead and put my stop right 198. Sell. Got my stop for 198. This one's really taking off. This iBio. 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 136 iBio. I have to put a stop. I could get killed right here. Um, Putting a stop on mRNA. That's just for me, but only remember because I put an extra zero at the end. mRNA. Stop price 13.5049. So that's a nice pullback. That's the price he said to buy it at though. So it might be a good place to add. Shoot. What's going on? Yeah, it is a good place to add. Yep. And now it's pulling up. Very good. Sorry, we're looking at two screens at once right now, and this is getting hard. Uh, okay, it's like these two are yo-yoing. It's getting annoying. Where's my mouse? My mouse battery died. Look at that. 129, 210. Gonna put a limit order. Limit! 3/4 of my shares. I'm not adding into this. I'm not that bullish about it. All right, come on. mRNA is just it's at 1376. Market really took a dive out the gate. That didn't help. Open up the limit. All right, here we go. mRNA, what is it doing? It pulled back right just to where he said it would, which is 113.64. Baidu pulled back to around 110. We did not look up any pivot points or anything this morning. I got stuck behind. Let me take a look at that real quick. You can keep the charts on for now. We're got a lot of investments right now. I'm in CETX. We're in IBIO. We're in mRNA and Baidu. Those are my cousin's picks. NBRV is the most advanced stock on the NASDAQ. It dumped out the gate and now it's pulling up. Probably a good entry. I gotta say, probably a good entry. Uh, Absolutely. NBRV 250 all day. NBRV. Maybe not. Let me not jump. Let me not jump. No, 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 no. Hold on. I don't like that. It should have took off there. I'm waiting on that one. All right. So CETX is looking good. Uh, it's rallying. Woo! All right. It's really rallying. I don't think it could break 250. Do you? I don't know if this could break 250. Oh, that was it. That was where you were supposed to exit. Oh man. All right. Well, there still might be a chance. Limit. I knew it. That was it. You were supposed to have your limit order there. Let me put my stop at 199. Damn. Okay, here we go. Finally, mRNA is coming up out of the hole. I'm going to reduce my share size because I am in that very heavy. That was by accident. Whoa, 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 what do you mean? What do you mean? You better sell it, man. I'll kill you. Oh, got stopped out on CETX. That's a shame, right? Didn't have. Why is it not letting me sell? This is that crazy stuff that pisses people off. Oh, I have a stop order in, that's why. Nice. That was a nice sell too. It just jumped up to 1,000 there. Uh, I'm just gonna kind of hold iBio for now, and I think this is gonna come back up. I got stopped out on by the stop hunters, bastards. Oh, I sold all out on that. I didn't mean to sell all out. I sold all out on mRNA. I thought I only sold a little bit. Baidu's coming around finally. It hit that bottom that we said it was gonna hit, and now it's taking off. There you go. 110 is what he recommended. I bumped it. Maybe this one is done. I don't know, but I don't think iBio is done. I think iBio you just kind of let run. Let it run. Let it run. Um, Market is pulling back some, huh? It's today a TVIX day. Roku looking. Put my this is at 112. I only have 100 shares of this. It's not gonna do much for me. I'm out of Baidu. I just my mind is elsewhere right now. Okay. I want to see Roku. I knew Roku was gonna do that. Roku, like I say, is a defensive stock, which means TVIX is of course rallying. Um, okay, on this little pull down here, I think TVIX is a good entry. If you're listening, TVIX is a good entry. Um, it's too early to get in on options right now. It's too much volatility. You'll get screwed. Um, Beyond popped instead of dropping at the gate. That sucks. Uber's rallying. That's interesting. Okay, ready? Oh, oh. Hmm. Yeah, I'll just let that run. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna go for it, man. Yeah, TVIX. I'm already in, so. Let me sell this. It looks like it's coming down now. Actually, that might just be a simple pullback, but I'll put a stop at 14, 13.99. Two amazing calls today. All amazing calls. It's unfortunate that one didn't hit my. What was my target on that one even? On CEIX. CETX target was 245 for the partial. If I would have had my limit in, I would have had it. Let me know when this gets above 150. Other than that, I really don't care. Good thing I put the stop in on mRNA instead of getting out. Oh yeah, let me put in those orders. Baidu, good play, good call, down to 110, up to 112. Those are the kind of plays you need capital to play when you're trading $100 stocks like that, and that's where eesh, Roku's gonna go up to 150. Okay, let me get this in these text alerts in. ENDP is rallying. ENDP is a great stock to trade when it's rallying. Um, it's actually most active, second highest gainer. Yeah, ENDP, I would say keep an eye. Um, what would be my entry on ENDP? Trying to see everybody's questions if you have questions. Let's go Luke, and then am I live on YouTube? Am I live on YouTube? I guess that means I am. Wow. I need to send out this TVIX thing because I keep procrastinating on it and TVIX keeps dropping. So let me get that TVIX entry point in. I got sidetracked by ENDP and it's dumping, so who cares? Yeah. TVIX entry points. All right, I took some TVIX and then I'm about to send out these calls real quick. I gotta toss this freaking thing here. This all right, I'm sending out those calls. Dang, they just popped up. What happened? All right, I'm taking too long here. August 23rd, 2750. Yeah, that's it. Go. August 23rd, 2750. What am I missing? What am I missing? What I feel like I'm missing something. August 23rd, 2750. Calls. Why? Yeah, there she goes. Beyond. I gotta toss this beyond freaking thing, man. It's taking up space here. What do I want to sell this at? I would sell these Beyonds at open up the limit. Might sell those Beyonds right now. iBio is 133, so iBio's kicking some. Very nice. What's the target on the text alert? Did CETX pop back up? Yeah, it did. Got stopped out. Sometimes you gotta play it safe. Literally went to 196. That's why I usually do that too. I'll go down to like 189 when I want to go to 199 because I know that there'll be stop hunters all over that 199 level. But I didn't do it today, so it doesn't matter. Um, I, that That's use your own discretion on iBio 180 potential. Oof, GE's taking a hit today. I'm feeling that. Here's what I'm going to do with iBio. Dun, 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 dun. How can I come out of the day? See, this account, we did good. We're all right now. I'm not worried. If anything, I'm going to add right here. Right? Is it still in the channel? Yeah. So I'm going to add right here on the pullback. Now I'm in 1,000 shares. Oh, oh, market's popping up. It's near a pivotal level, that 291. I gotta get rid of this beyond. So much more potential for my money than in this stupid beyond. Alright, just go. Get out of my face. I'm out of beyond. That was something left over from yesterday. That wasn't a call today. I really didn't even mean to hold that. Where's the comeback kid gonna come from, though? mRNA headed back up. I'm still in that, right? I don't know. I guess I got stopped out. Roku looks like it's pulling down. CETX looks like it's pulling up. CETX is going to make a move today. At some point in the day, it's going to make a very strong move. mRNA about to break above intraday highs. Maybe. That's not good. That's not good. I knew Roku was going to do this. Um, Here's what I'd rather do. Trying to figure out what formation this is here on Beyond. Whether that's a triple top, descending triangle, or looks along the lines of a descending triangle. Let's see how that works out. So essentially what I did, I don't know how it's going to work. Basically got killed on Beyond. Killed. I wouldn't say killed, but like I hate starting the day with a hit on the chin. So I started the day with a hit on the chin, and now I'm about to get knocked out. Let me see. Started the day down 95 on this Beyond from yesterday. Uh, geez, I'm not having a good day, so that's pulling me down. CETX, I got stopped out. Mm. So my delta was only negative 10, and that's a $10 move. Had to is literally what it took for this to go down $100. So now I've increased my delta to negative 50 in hopes that this will come down below this level because thought I saw what looked like a descending triangle. You see how it pops and then the waves. But now I'm seeing what may be a bull flag. Yeah, I don't know. With the market going down and everything, I think I bought in at around $156. So at that point, anything below 156, and it's more of a ascending wedge. I'm kind of betting against the trend here, but I feel like it's overextended. Mm, I think there's no justification in this one. I just got to get out completely. Yeah, there's no justification for this one. I'm just going to get out entirely. UVXY is kicking, you know what? The markets are really taking a hit. That's why I'm hoping that'll rub off on Beyond a little bit. Um, oh yeah, and then what else we got going on? Oh, I think it might be time to. Wow, CETX. Damn, I knew it was gonna do that too. I knew it was gonna rally, and that was my second price point. I said it'd go between 245 and 265, and it went right to both. Markets are a dumping, dumping. All right, so my goal here is to good here. Probably gonna have a $800 day, something like that. My goal here is to end the day flat at least. That way it doesn't impede on my earnings over here. Ooh, market's reversing a little bit. Is that a full-on reversal? Could be, could be. Looks like a reversal. Small sell-off at the gate. That's all you're gonna give me. Mm, got a little bit of a cup and handle-ish, head and shoulder-ish shape. Okay, GE starting to reverse here. Means the market is starting to reverse. I can't hold on to that. It's so strange, this formation, man. It's like up, down. NASDAQ actually, the NASDAQ is technically in an uptrend. Should see a pullback now. Now, this pullback is going to essentially let us know whether this is a pullback for the new trend to the upside or whether there's a bigger channel here at play. So what I'm going to do, first off, let me put my stops in. Let me do a range. Range. Son of a bitch. I'm gonna send out a text alert. What's up? Go ahead. You asked me. I see it. Okay. Just give me 1 second, and I'll look at that. BLL, you say? I can't tell anything on this platform. Freaking trading it. Love Uber. Yeah, Beyond. Yeah, mofo. That's what I'm talking about. I knew you were gonna dump. It double topped out at the intraday highs. It just got downgraded by Benzinga. Benzinga hit it back. JP Morgan tried to pump it, and Benzinga's short, and they're like, nah, nah, not nah, my friend, not nah. So much for my 53. Oh my God, man. I must have looked so stupid saying I had a 53 Delta. I have a 28 Delta. Alright, whatever. We all look stupid sometimes, except for me. Because I realized what I just said and how I was just complaining. Oh, I thought my Delta was my theta. Sounded very nerdish. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Up 100% in 1 year. Dividends too? This is gold. PAL. Is this the beer company? What is this? What? No, I've never heard of a ball. I can't speak right now. A beer called Bowl. Price target raised. Nice. It's gonna have more bullishness. Morgan Stanley's on some pumping. They're on their pumping game today. Um, I like it. I like it a lot, Jared. It's very high. It's very high right now, but it doesn't look like it seems to be. I want to see a 3 year chart. Is it always been like this? Very overextended, but it is a strong stock. Beautiful with dividends. What company is this? What does Ball Corp even make? Uh, yeah, you did it right. Contracts to UVXY 363 is a good price. Yeah, did good. I can't believe this stock has not been talked about more. Today is an important day. If the market is going to break through that 29.45 level that everybody's watching, it's going to happen today. So a lot of people are watching the market today to see if it breaks out of this trend, and of course it dumps today. Is this the beginning of a downtrend now without it even testing that level? I don't know. I don't think so. That doesn't make sense. But the level it technically was supposed to test, the level it was supposed to test, 290, 29.42 or 29.45 to put it plain and simply. It did not hit 29.45, but it has been bouncing off that level, and now we got this doji candle situation going on. You got a red cloud for the rest of the day, which basically means Ichimoku thinks the market's going to go down for the rest of the day, which is good. Okay, just all right. Market's going to start pulling back now, so now would be a good time to buy yourself. Let's see if it breaks. Now would be a good time to buy yourself some more 291.13. I mean 29.13. It would be 291.13, right? On the SPY. 91.30 rather. Yeah. Let's see if it pulls back here. I think it will. All right. Let's take a look at this. Wow, look at that. Right as you say it, Jared. If an entry point, basically, when you get into a stock, what if a stop loss? What is a stop loss and how do you set one? And lastly, the commission on TD Ameritrade is $7. So if the gain is only a few cents per share, I would need to buy a whole lot of stock to break even. Don't download Robinhood. Use stock trade. It's better. And as backup, if you really want to be an app kind of guy, first of all, they'll lower your commissions. I pay $3 for TD Ameritrade and $1 an option or something like that. So TD Ameritrade will lower your commissions if you just ask them. But use your stock trade is better for trading. There's no PDT rule. Your funds clear immediately, so you can trade. It freaking sounds amazing if you think about it. Not having to have the 25,000 and still be able to trade all you want. What was that? How's Baidu doing? C-Tex is killing it. Ruby, huh? This is one that back in the day I remember Ruby. It IPO'd not that long ago, I don't think. Maybe that's a different Ruby. Maybe it's been that long. All right, market's gonna start pulling down now. So I'm going to TVIX it, TVEIX it, and I'm just gonna start with 300. Buy, buy. I'll add more. Stop. Buy at 1933. Oh, is it popping up? No. 17. 40. All right. I don't understand this crap, man. Beyond just took a massive hit. But it looks like it's going to bounce here. Beyond. Let's go ahead and short Beyond a little bit. Oh, markets are probably going to pop back up here. Although, no. Yeah, they look a little strong right now. Might not be the best idea to hang out with 900 shares of TVIX. Beyond is dumping. That's good. Maybe I can make my money back. I'm already up 174. Look at that. What's the level it has to test? 151. It has a pivot point at 149. So we could see it actually go down to 149 today. Markets are rallying strong right there. What the hell is that? That's news. Something happened. Oh yeah, Beyond is really taking it to the chin. Mark 260. I have a sell at 290. take a partial on beyond 200 of my shares, buy to cover. Still short 100 shares. Market's definitely coming down now. What's essentially happening with Beyond, it looks like, is that rally sparked a sell off of all the people that got burned. Um, there's people that have been waiting forever for this spike. Let me see if I can get out here. I'll take it here. Wow, that really took a hit there, huh? Think it'll go down any lower? No, I think it's bottomed out here. Although the pivot point is much lower. JP Morgan, by the way, the company that raised the target is also the company that did their secondary offering, maybe even their IPO, but I know they did their secondary offering. So the fact that they would raise a price target and upgrade it and do all that stuff, they obviously have an interest in it. I mean, this is not, come on, man. That's it's obvious stuff here. They're trying to pump the price so they could sell it off. And good. They got their pump, and now let them sell it off. Okay. Markets are looking good here. Like bad, which is good. Uh, Oh man, did I really just do that? Markets are coming down hard. Beyond's coming down hard. I've increased my delta so I could easily make out on this. Now this market's coming up. I don't know. That chart is overreactive. I want to see. This is not just going to go here, okay? This is like the middle of nowhere, 153. It's got to test the lows of the day, 152, or it's going to reverse here. So either way, you'll see it in the trend. It's got a very nice clear trend right now. Markets are going down. Let's see what the cloud says. Uh, Switching mouses. I can't use the dead mouse. It's driving me crazy. AVYA. Hmm. Well, something happened. No shit, right? AVYA. Let's see what happened. Press release, blah, 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 blah. They came out with midday earnings. Only crappy OTC companies come out with midday earnings. Unless I'm missing something here. Oh, that didn't even come, that wasn't released today. I'm missing something here. I don't have the news. I could put on Benzinga Squawk. I probably get it, but they probably already. Here, let me check Benzinga Pro. What is it? ABYA. Okay, 1036. That's like right now. Are trending higher after Reuters reported the company may be considering an all-cash sale to a private equity firm as an alternative to a potential merger with Mattel. Mitel? With Mitel. Reuters company may be considering. So this is when you hear stuff like company may be or that's chatter. It's rumors. We really don't know. Um, but that is surely a move. And I also just got the buy signal on whatchamacallit, on the crossovers. Crossovers say to buy, and it was down when that first popped on. It was like 1346. It looks good. What do you think? AVYA over 13? I mean over 14? Am I gonna miss it? Am I gonna miss it? Am I gonna miss it? 1401. Ah, better to buy this on a pullback. Better to buy this on a pullback anyway. I would say go in right here. 1,000 shares. Boom. Market. Buy. I'm in. What did I get filled at? 1381. All right, I'll take it. If it goes lower, I'll add more. This is a pennant formation. So then what happens is there's another pennant, and then another pennant, and then another pennant. Hopefully, it has to break the 14. But yes, very good. 14. Good catch, Mark. Good catch. Yeah, this is gonna. I think this is gonna break. Make that call back real quick. I'll be right back.